Salesforce series. In today's quick tutorial, we would learn how you can create list views in Salesforce step by step. By default, there are various list views that are already present in Salesforce. To create a custom list view, you have to go to the gear icon, click on New. Today I want to create a list view to bifurcate my cases as per priority, and I want to see only the cases that are on high priority currently in my system. I can set up the privacy of that list view from here. I can keep it private or I can also share it with other users in the account. I'll click on save. Once you click on save, your list view is created, but it is currently the generic list view and it does not have the filters that we want. To add the filter, I'll click on add filter from here, and I want to bifurcate the data as per priority. So I'll just click on priority, and I want to see only high priority cases. So I'll select that. I click on done. I'll save this list view. Now this is the list view that we want, and you can see the cases with high priority are shown over here. So with this, we have successfully created our first list view in Salesforce within minutes. For more such quick tutorials on Salesforce Basic, do follow our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.